About to show you some images from the iPhone 17 Pro, and just to give some context, I studied photography at college for 2 years and then studied a course in Cornwall called Marine and Natural History Photography, where we did underwater photography and dive housings and whatnot, all based around nature. Anyway, point being, I'm going to show you some images. I just can't believe it. The gap bridged from DSLRs, mirrorless, now in your pocket is I'm speechless, to be quite honest with you. I'm not to blow my own trumpet, just I'll show some examples. I can't believe what's possible now. I had the 13 mini, great phone. It's a phone with some cameras, great, did what I want, but this is another level. What can I say? I'll show you some examples, and I mean, I'm hardly going to pick up my DSLR now. This will be in my pocket all the time, and I found even walking to work, I just found myself taking pictures of some flowers this morning. I'm just speechless. Yeah, I'll show you some examples. And I mean, anyone can do this now. There's some techniques for macro to help with focus. I mean, there's obviously lighting techniques, blah, 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 but using natural lighting and just when you're doing macro, holding it, you imagine it's a plane of focus, flat. You want to be coming like above or to the side. You can look at some other tutorials. This isn't going to be a tutorial. I'm just going to showcase some. I can already see stuff in front of me that look awesome in macro. Look at this leaf. This will be awesome. I'll show you a shot. It's awesome.